If you've lifted your 250 series Prado, you've probably noticed changes in alignment and steering feel. Today, we're checking out SuperPro's fixed offset upper control arm kit to get your steering alignment back on point. So what is this exactly? Well, it's a fixed offset upper control arm with a heavy duty ball joint and premium poly bushings. That fixed offset bit means it corrects your wheel alignments, caster and camber when you're lifting your 250 series Prado from 1 to 3 inches. As mentioned, these come with your heavy duty ball joint, which are also high articulation to provide more movement without binding on your suspension. They also come with SuperPro's polyurethane bushings, which are going to be longer lasting and more durable than your standard rubber. They're built from high strength steel and robot welded for consistency. So they're not just about alignment, it's about durability for real world use. So why these over OEM? Lifted Prados often get wonky caster and camber angles, leading to sloppy steering feel and uneven tyre wear. This kit corrects that, keeping your steering crisp and improving the articulation off-road, giving you the confidence you need. So if your Prado's been lifted and your steering feels off, or if you just need a tougher, more durable steering component, then the SuperPro fixed upper control arm is the smart upgrade. It smooths out alignment, improves handling, and handles the abuse better than stock. Jump over to the SuperPro website to grab a set for yourself, and as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer them. We'll catch you in the next one.